Welcome, I'm Kaylee, here to guide you through the listing operations for our dedicated military veteran listing team. Let's ensure excellence in our processes. Our Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP, is designed to standardize operations in order to protect and grow our trusted partnership with Zillow. First, we have team selection and expectations. Listing team members are chosen based on their dedication and performance, including a minimum of 3 transactions and a CSAT score of 90 within Zillow Flex. Next up, training and support. For training, all agents undergo pro training like Seller Representative Specialist and Pricing Strategy Advisor, plus our in-house listing packet and Open Houses 101 sessions. For support, our dedicated admin team is here to back you up. They help with listing presentations, CMA, and listing packet preparation, all within 3 hours of your request. Remember, effective communication is crucial. Always specify your needs clearly, follow up, and verify the tasks you delegate to ensure everything meets our high standards. The next step is the lead action plan. Our lead action plan ensures no opportunity is missed. All agents must use Follow-Up Boss to manage communications and keep detailed notes on each interaction. Contact leads 3 times daily for a week, then 3 times weekly for 3 weeks using phone calls, texts, and emails. If no connection by day 10, initiate door knocking. For live calls, use the CALM approach: clarity, appointment, location, and motivation. Post-connection, set the meeting, prepare a high-note presentation, and confirm all listing details are accurate. Next, the listing appointment. Before meeting a client, ensure all documents are ready. Print specific CMA pages, our listing agreement, and a 1-page go-to-market strategy. Send a thank you card to set a positive tone. At the appointment, arrive early and confirm details. Walk the property with the client, noting key features for the MLS write-up. Discuss the market, show comparative listings, and set a realistic price. Once agreed, sign all documents, set important dates, and confirm the listing strategy. Follow up with a thank you message and schedule photo shoots for the listing. That's a wrap on our listing operations tutorial. With these steps, you're set to excel in securing and managing listings efficiently. Thanks for watching.